This short video will illustrate the step-by-step process of how to use Arizona exam preparation online. Let's begin. After opening the course, locate and click on the green Create Exam button. This button will open a new window. Please make sure pop-ups are enabled in your browser. Pop-up blocking should be turned off. For instructions on how to enable pop-ups in your browser, see the Help section of this course. After the exam window opens, it's time to create a practice exam. First, choose the number of questions from the drop-down list. Then, select a category. Categories are the same as those found on the Arizona State Licensing Examination. Optionally, after taking several practice exams, you may want to hide questions you've answered correctly. To do so, use the Hide Question drop-down to select frequency. Once again, this is an optional feature. We don't recommend you hide questions until you have been through the entire database a number of times. Next, click the Create Exam button to display the exam. After taking the exam, click on the green Grade Exam button. Your score will be displayed along with the correct explained answers. Pay special attention to the explained answers to help you master the material. Next, you'll have the option to create a new exam or check your progress by clicking on the Check Progress button. This page will display your average score by category. From here, you may continue to create additional exams or end your session.